There's a nifty tool called File Converter. It is open source, but unfortunately when you press download, you only have an MSI option. That means you have to have administrator privileges to install this. Let's just test it real quick. Maybe we can install it without admin rights. Here we go. Accept. Well, not in that folder, right? Here, it needs admin rights. Let's see, can we install it in a different location? For example, cache test 2 also needs admin rights, as you can see here. Let's say no and finish. So we're gonna try this thing. We're gonna try to install it to default location. Let's do the admin stuff. Sure, whatever. Finish. And now we're just gonna copy this entire folder and put it over here. And now let's see, if we run it from here, does it work? Maybe. So now let's just uninstall it. And hope it works still. Yeah, File Converter is a shell extension. Oh no. Can we drag the file onto it? Nope. No, it doesn't work. And that is why File Converter cannot be portable, because it's a shell extension.